Hello, this is Eric Lenning with the National Weather Service in Chicago. It's Friday afternoon, January 3rd. I want to take a few minutes to bring you up to date on the winter weather that is expected this weekend and to early next week. The next 3 days, 3 to 5 days, we're expecting several periods of hazardous weather, starting tonight with blowing and drifting snow, continuing Saturday night with heavy snow, and Sunday night through Tuesday, dangerous wind chills. The impacts for the period into early January, drifting and blowing snow tonight is for the entire forecast area of northern Illinois and northwest Indiana. That would be focused on the evening period tonight into early tomorrow morning. We have a expectation of low visibility with the blowing snow, the snow drifting onto roads and creating dangerous travel conditions. The heavy snow that we're anticipating would be primarily for northwest Indiana and portions of east central Illinois. That would be Saturday evening into Sunday. The impacts would be hazardous travel and the potential for significant snow accumulations. After the snow moves out late Sunday, we get into a period of extremely cold temperatures and dangerous wind chills. That would be for, again, the entire forecast area of northern Illinois and northwest Indiana. Sunday night continuing through Tuesday night, wind chills below -40 with blowing and drifting snow again in the areas that receive snow over the weekend. The heavy snow that we're expecting is likely Saturday evening into Sunday afternoon, and primarily across northwest Indiana and down into east central Illinois. There's also potential for significant snow in the Chicago area, roughly from Lake County, Illinois, down to LaSalle County and areas southeast of there. For tonight, the blowing and drifting snow is not going to be from any new snow accumulations, but the snowpack that's already in place, which ranges from a couple inches up to nearly a foot or more around the area. With winds that we expect to be gusting over 30 miles per hour, the impacts would be low visibility from the blowing snow and the difficult travel conditions both from the visibility and from snow that's blowing over the roads. Again, that's for tonight into tomorrow morning. And for that, we have a winter weather advisory that's in effect for tonight. Getting into Saturday evening into Sunday afternoon, here is a large-scale picture of what we're expecting in terms of snow possibilities. The area of east central Illinois through northern Indiana up to northwest Ohio and southern lower Michigan would be the locally impacted areas. But looking more specifically in the local Chicago and Rockford areas, and down toward northwest Indiana, the amounts that we're expecting range from 1 to 2 inches up along the state line and toward Rockford, and maybe 3 to 6 inches in the Chicago metro area, and possibly 6 to 8 or maybe even upwards of 10 inches or more for northwest Indiana down toward Iroquois County, maybe southern Ford County. And those amounts could change as the forecast updates come in, so that's just an initial estimate of the snowfall for Saturday evening into Sunday afternoon. So in terms of headlines, we have a headline in effect for tonight. That's for a winter weather advisory for the blowing snow. And starting the Saturday afternoon evening period into Sunday afternoon, we have a winter storm watch for northwest Indiana and down toward Iroquois and Ford, possibly being extended into Kankakee and Livingston at some point, maybe even into both Lake and Porter County, Indiana. These are going to evolve as new forecast information becomes available. But the Chicago metro from Chicago, Joliet, DeKalb, possibly up into Lake County and out toward LaSalle, maybe Ogle, Lee, would be potential areas for a winter weather advisory. That would be Saturday afternoon, evening into early Sunday and Sunday afternoon. The wind chills that would develop after the snow moves out would be Sunday night, continuing through Tuesday night. Actual lows of 10 to 20 below zero Sunday night and Monday night. Wind chills of 40 degrees, minus 40 degrees or colder. Actual winds would be gusting over 20 miles per hour during this period. So drifting and blowing snow would again be possible. And if winds are stronger, that could almost create blizzard-like conditions, especially Sunday night into Monday. So just to review, drifting and blowing snow tonight, heavy snow possible Saturday evening into Sunday for northwest Indiana and areas south of Chicago metro, and then dangerous wind chills for the entire area late in the weekend into the first part of next week. Again, this is Eric. It's Friday afternoon on January 3rd. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to check back to our website, weather.gov/Chicago, for the latest forecast information.